Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on how to make passive income. In this video, we will be discussing various ways to generate passive income and how you can get started today. Firstly, let's define what passive income is. Passive income is money that you earn without actively working for it. This can be through investments, rental properties, online businesses, and more. The key is that you do the work up front and then the income continues to flow in with little to no effort from you. 1. Rental properties. One of the most popular ways to generate passive income is through rental properties. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of income each month. You can choose to manage the properties yourself or hire a property management company to take care of the day-to-day tasks. The key is to ensure that your rental income covers your expenses and generates a profit. 2. Dividend stocks. Another way to generate passive income is through investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. This means that as long as you hold onto your shares, you'll continue to receive regular dividend payments. It's important to do your research and choose stocks that have a track record of paying out consistent dividends. 3. Online business. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for generating passive income through online business. You can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, or templates. Another popular option is to start a blog or YouTube channel and monetize it through ads or affiliate marketing. The key is to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a demand for products or services. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a relatively new way to generate passive income. It involves lending money to individuals or businesses through online platforms. You earn interest on the loan and can choose to reinvest your earnings or withdraw them. As with any investment, due diligence and research the platform and borrowers before investing. 5. Real estate investment. Trusts, REITs. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, are companies that own and manage income-producing real estate properties. By investing in REITs, you can earn a share of the rental income generated by the properties. REITs can be a good option for those who want to invest in real estate without the hassle of managing properties themselves. Now that we've discussed some ways to generate passive income, let's talk about how you can get started. 1. Set your goals before you start investing in any of these passive income streams. It's important to set your financial goals. This will help you determine how much money you need to invest and what your expected return should be. 2. Research and educate yourself. It's important to do your research and educate yourself on the various passive income streams available to you. This will help you make informed decisions and choose the right investment opportunities for you. 3. Start small and diversify. It's always a good idea to start small when investing in passive income streams. This will help you minimize risk and learn the ropes before investing larger amounts of money. Additionally, it's important to diversify your investments to minimize risk and maximize returns. 4. Be patient. Generating passive income takes time and patience. It's important to be patient and stick with your investments for the long haul. Remember, the goal is to create a steady stream of income that continues to flow in with little to no effort from you. In conclusion, generating passive income is a great way to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. By following these tips and investing wisely, you can start generating passive income today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Please leave a comment below with your thoughts or any suggestions for future videos. And if you want to stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss